How to change formation on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bashaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Premier League application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the Fantasy option on the bottom of your screen, and in the Fantasy tab scroll down and you will see the option for Pick Team. So tap on the Pick Team option you see there and you will now be able to view your squad. So if you want to change your formation, then follow this particular step. So for instance, if I only want 3 defenders and I want 4 midfielders in my squad, then what I can do is simply tap on the defender that you want to remove from the squad and then tap on it and you will see the option for substitute. So tap on the substitute option and now from the substitution list, choose a midfielder and not a defender in order to change your formation. And with this, as you can see, I have now removed a defender and added a new midfielder to my squad. Once done, tap on the confirm option on the top right of your screen in order to save changes that you just made. And with this, as you can see, your squad has been changed. So this was about how you can change formation on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.